scientifically based. There's a lot of scientific and empirical evidence to support this presentation. So to begin with, homosexuality is not a sexual problem, it's a gender identity problem. Homosexuality is not about sex. Gay apologists would have us believe that it's only sexual orientation, that the person is normal and natural in every way except for his sexual choice. And we find it to be completely the opposite. Homosexuality is about self-esteem, it's about one's sense of oneself, about his relationships, his past hurts. Homosexuality is about childhood wounds, self-image, personal shame, and his belief in his ability to establish and sustain relational intimacy. Homosexual behavior is always, my wife says, when you speak publicly, never speak in absolutes. I'm saying homosexuality is always prompted by an inner sense of loneliness and emptiness. And that's what the focus is of the therapy. The focus is not on the sexual behavior, it's on the preceding feeling about oneself before he has the impulse to act out.